In 2026, you have an unfair advantage that didn't exist 2 years ago. AI tools that used to cost $50,000 per year are now free. And 99% of beginner investors aren't using them. This video changes that. By the end of this video you'll know the exact 5 AI tools I use to research stocks in 30 minutes a week, how to build your first portfolio with $500, the 3 biggest beginner mistakes that cost people thousands, and the compound interest math that will permanently change how you think about money. Let's start with the most important thing nobody tells beginners. Section: the one principle that changes everything. Most people think investing is about picking the right stocks. It's not. Investing is about time. Specifically, starting earlier than you think you need to. Here's the math. If you invest $500 per month starting at age 25, at a 10% average annual return, which is the S&P 500 historical average, you will have $1.1 million by age 55. Wait until 35 to start that same investment? You end up with $380,000. That 10-year delay cost you $720,000. That's not a math trick. That's compound interest, and it is the most powerful force in personal finance. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is today. Section: the 3 biggest beginner mistakes. Before I show you how to invest, let me save you from the mistakes that kill beginners. Mistake 1: trying to pick individual stocks before understanding the market. Individual stock picking requires 40 to 60 hours of research per position. Most beginners spend 15 minutes on YouTube and buy. That's gambling, not investing. The fix: start with index funds. The S&P 500 has returned an average of 10.2% per year for the last 50 years. You don't need to be smarter than the market. Just own the market. Mistake 2: ignoring tax-advantaged accounts. A 401k and Roth IRA are not optional upgrades. They are the foundation. Contributing to a Roth IRA means you pay taxes now on a small amount and never pay taxes on the gains ever. Over 30 years, that difference can be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Max your Roth IRA first, $7,000 per year in 2026. Get your full employer 401k match. Then invest anything extra in a brokerage account. Mistake 3: selling during downturns. The average stock market crash lasts 9 months. The average recovery brings the market to a new all-time high. Every single person who sold during March 2020 COVID crash locked in their losses. Every person who held or bought more made their money back within 18 months and then some. Your emotions are the enemy of your portfolio. Automate your investments so you don't make decisions when markets are scary. Section: the 5 AI tools changing investing in 2026. Now here's what I promised you. The AI tools that give beginners an edge that used to cost thousands. Tool 1: Perplexity AI for earnings research. Before buying any stock, ask Perplexity, what were the last 4 quarters of earnings for this company, and what do analysts expect next? It pulls real-time data and summarizes it in 30 seconds. That used to take an analyst an hour. Now it takes you less than a minute. Tool 2: ChatGPT for portfolio analysis. Take your current holdings and ask ChatGPT to identify concentration risk, missing sectors, and overlap between ETFs. It will catch things a beginner would miss in minutes. Tool 3: SEC Edgar with Claude AI. Go to Edgar, find a company's 10K annual report, and paste sections into Claude. Ask it to explain the risk factors in plain English. Understanding what management says about risk is the most underrated research skill in investing. Tool 4: Macro Trends for historical data. Free website. Enter any stock ticker. CPE ratio history, revenue growth, profit margins over 10 years. Paste the data into an AI and ask, is this stock cheap or expensive relative to its history? Tool 5: TradingView for technical signals. You don't need to be a technical analyst. Just use TradingView's AI summary feature to see whether the trend is up or down, and whether the stock is near support or resistance. Use it as a timing aid, not a buy signal. Section: Building your first $500 portfolio. Here's exactly how I would allocate $500 if I was starting from zero today. $200 into VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. This gives you exposure to every public U.S. company. This is your foundation. $150 into QQQ, the NASDAQ 100 ETF. Heavy tech exposure with Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, and Amazon. Higher growth, higher volatility. $100 into a single high-conviction stock you've researched using the AI tools above. One company you understand, in an industry you follow. $50 held as cash to buy more during the next market dip. And there will be a dip. That's a diversified, growth-oriented starter portfolio. Simple. Boring. Effective. Section: The Compound Growth Math. Let me show you the exact numbers that should make you never miss an investment month. If you invest $500 per month at 10% average return. After 5 years, $38,688. After 10 years, $102,173. After 20 years, $382,828. After 30 years, $1,130,243. You contributed $180,000 total over 30 years. The market turned that into $1.1 million. That extra $950,000 came from doing nothing except not selling. No stock picking. No market timing. Just showing up every single month. Section: Your action plan, starting today. Here's exactly what to do in the next 7 days. Day 1, open a Roth IRA on Fidelity or Charles Schwab. It takes 10 minutes. It's free. Day 2, set up automatic monthly contributions. Even $100. Automate it so you never forget. Day 3, buy VTI with your first contribution. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment was yesterday. Day 4, download one of the AI tools I mentioned and spend 30 minutes learning how to research a stock. Day 5, define your investment goal. Retirement at 55? Down payment in 10 years? Your goal determines your timeline, which determines your allocation. You don't need a financial advisor to start. You don't need $10,000 to invest. You need $500 and a decision. The people who build wealth aren't smarter than you. They started earlier and didn't stop. Section: Subscribe and what's coming next. If this video helped, subscribe to CashMind. Every week I break down AI-powered investing strategies, tax optimization, and wealth-building frameworks designed for regular people earning regular incomes. Next video: the 5 AI stocks I'm buying in 2026 and exactly why, with full analysis. You don't want to miss that one. I'll see you there.